Good morning, everyone. Time for breakfast? Oh no. The fridge is completely empty. Not a single egg, no milk, not even a slice of bread. Does that mean no breakfast? It means we are going shopping today.
Ooh, can I pick the juice?
We will see, sweetheart. First, let me make a proper list.
We should definitely buy chips and gummy bears and maybe some chocolate biscuits. Ethan, those are not on the list.
I could write them on the list.
Mom, can I have candy? Just a little tiny one?
Okay, but too much candy is not healthy.
Everyone, come quickly. The car is leaving in 5 minutes.
I cannot find my shoes, Daddy.
Lilli, where did you last wear them?
Outside, maybe?
Check under the sofa first. That is where they usually hide.
I found them! It was under the sofa! That is my shoes. Give me. Got it! Both shoes! I am ready!
Finally, let us go before anything else goes missing.
I want the window seat. I called it first.
You always get the window seat.
The back seat has 2 windows, one each. Problem solved. Oh, yeah, that works.
Seatbelts on, please. All of you.
Dad, can we get chips at the store?
We will see what is on the list.
The list, which does not include chips.
We've arrived at the supermarket.
Whoa! It is so big! Can we run inside?
No running. We stay together like a team.
Do teams get to buy toys?
This team is here for groceries, Ethan.
I will grab a cart. Who wants to push?
Me!
I will push it into the chips aisle.
Milk, 2 cartons. Alex, can you reach the top shelf?
On it. Blue top or red top?
Blue, always blue.
Mom, I found the juice! The orange one with the smiley face!
1 bottle, Lilli. Choose well.
This one. It has the biggest smiley. Look, they have a new flavor of chips, spicy mango.
Ethan, chips are not on the list. But they did not exist last time we made the list.
The boy has a point, Emma.
James!
Moving on. Bread, eggs, vegetables, let us go. Handle with care, team.
I can carry them, Daddy. I am very careful.
Okay, hold the bottom firmly and do not.
I have got it. I have got it. I have...
And that is why we hold the bottom.
1 carton dropped. Let us grab a fresh one and keep moving.
That egg is not going to make it to breakfast.
I am sorry, Daddy.
Accidents happen, Ladybug. We pick a new carton and carry on.
You both behaved very well today. No major disasters.
The egg was not my fault. The floor was slippery.
She carried it bravely.
Each of you may choose 1 treat. Make it count. 1 large bag of spicy mango chips. Strawberry gummies shaped like little bears. This milk is heavier than me.
Almost there. Great job, team.
Today's shopping went really well.
Yes, we got everything we needed.
Ha! I simple Bezino. I got my favorite chips. And I got chocolate too.
Put the bags carefully.
We bought many things today.
I have chips. I have chocolate.
Okay, now let's sit in the car and go home.
Kids, open the back doors and get in the car.
That was actually kind of fun.
I want to go shopping every Sunday.
Let us fill the fridge first and see how long it takes to empty it again.
My bet is Tuesday.
Eggs, milk, bread, vegetables, juice, all present and correct.
And chips and gummies.
Today was a good day. A great team effort.
Best shopping day ever!
Today was a good day. A great team effort.
Best shopping day ever!
If you enjoyed our English learning videos, don't forget to like the video.
And subscribe to our channel for more videos. Also press the bell icon so you never miss any of our new videos.
Thank you.